Social Cam, it's Black Cherry, better known as Karen. Can't you see? Last name Morning, and I come from a good stock. We chillin', all we got. Gonna have some fun with my family, you see. My birthday's next weekend, I can't wait. I'm gonna fill that food up full of, I don't know what's next. Let me see. Friends and family, y'all come through. 'Cause you know Karen's gonna have something to do. We gonna chill. We gonna chill. We gonna chill. 'Cause you know what we do is real. We break it down, break it down, break it down, break it down, break it down. I'm just clowning on this Saturday, you see. Waiting on my mama, interesting to come swoop me. We headed to the Valley Joe. Gonna go to a birthday party for my mama's friend she knows. Then we got Trina at the Rodeo Beach, chilling out with her partners. They barbecuing, you see. Then you got Miss Naya, my grandson. Melly Mel's in the back. They're headed to the beach, trying to get out of Antioch 'cause it's so hot. I heard it's 104 in the yacht. Better head my way, much cooler today. Then you got Sabi Baby in the O, chilling out with his cousin Anthony. Auntie Corinda, they chillin' today. Pool party, yeah, 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 yeah. I'm just singing this song, freestyling, 'cause I have things to do. Need to be getting ready, 'cause my mama's coming through. But I wanna thank God for all he do. I wanna thank him for the good and bad. Guess what, things like that, you just can't be sad. I'm gonna end this song. Yes, I am. I'm gonna end this song. Yes, I am. Holla back at your girl. Holla back. Holla back at your girl. Holla back. Yeah, 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 yeah. Birthday week starts Monday. Holla. Yeah.